This is a short presentation of the IC2Cloud platform. In this presentation we are going to cover two things. First, what are the components of the platform? Second, how they interact together. To understand how the components of the platform interact, we are going to show you how an application can be created and how it works. We are going to build a security system with next feature, 1. Detect motion. 2. Enable and disable the system from a cell phone. 3. Send an email notification when motion is detected and the security system is enabled. Let's start. First thing we need is the hardware. Our security system needs a motion sensor. The sensor has to send a signal to the platform whenever motion is detected. A more complex IoT system can have a lot of sensors and actuators. All these communicate with the platform by sending or requesting signals from the platform. For example, a temperature sensor sends temperature value to the server whenever temperature changes. We can have a lot of hardware devices sending information to the platform at the same time. The wiring cloud is the component of our platform responsible to handle all the signals. It is also possible that the signals travel from the wiring cloud to hardware devices. For example, an AC unit can be turned on or off. But let's go back to our security system. So far we have the motion sensor sending signals to the wiring cloud whenever motion is detected. The sensor do not have to do anything else. They do not need to take any action. They do not need to know what their purpose is. Decisions and actions are done by the virtual device. As a result, the next step is to create the virtual device. For this purpose we have the device builder. The device builder is a cloud-based tool that allows you to create any rules you want using a visual language easy to learn and handle. The image here shows you how the rules for our security system are created. This is the brain of your system. Assuming you create the virtual device, the next step is to deploy it in the device cloud. This is an action as simple as pressing a start button. The device cloud is the virtual machine that will run the virtual devices you created. This is another component of the IC2Cloud platform. You can have as many virtual devices as you want running in the cloud. It could be a weather station or a safety device checking for fire, smoke, or flooding hazards. Going back to our security system, we have deployed the rules. These rules check the signal sent by the motion detector and the alarm state signal. So far, we have hardware sending signals to the platform. We also have virtual devices making decisions and taking actions. What are we missing? We need to be able to monitor and control our virtual devices. We would like to know the state of our virtual device, the signals exchanged. Also, we would like to be able to control all these. We do that using mobile applications. To create those we have part of our ecosystem, the App Builder. App Builder is also a cloud-based tool following the philosophy of the IC2Cloud platform. App Builder uses a drag and drop approach to create user interface. You can design this any way you want. To create necessary actions in the mobile application, you use the same visual language as device builder. Once the mobile application is ready, you can deploy it on the mobile device of your choice. You can build as many mobile applications you want and deploy them on as many devices you want. You have full freedom to aggregate as much functionality you want in a single application or in as many applications you would like. Going back to our security system, let's see how it works. When you set alarm on in your application, two signals are sent to the wiring cloud. One is to reset the motion signal to no, to avoid false alarms due to previous detection of motion. And the other signal sets the alarm to on. Now the system is armed and the security virtual device will monitor these two signals, motion and alarm. Whenever the motion is detected, the signal is sent to the platform. The signals will be processed by the security device. and a notification will be sent out to the mobile device. The mobile device will notify the user. With this step we conclude all the steps involved in building and running an IoT system using the IC2Cloud platform. Here you can see the security system in action. The hardware was built using Arduino. We have another presentation to show you all the details how to complete this project in less than 1 hour. The alarm is off in this picture. Once the alarm was set to on and motion was detected, you are going to get notifications on your mobile devices, smartwatch and cell phone. Let's do a quick summary of the components. First we have the hardware sending information like temperature, pressure, humidity, and other data. Hardware can also receive information from the platform. Next is the wiring cloud. The wiring cloud is the binding between all the other components of our platform. All the signals exchanged in the platform are handled by this component. Device Builder is the development tool that allows the user to create the virtual device. The device cloud is the distribute virtual machine that runs the devices created with the Device Builder. App Builder is another development tool in our ecosystem. This is used to create the mobile applications. And finally we have the mobile devices that run the applications created with the App Builder. Thank you for watching this presentation.